Hey guys, welcome to our channel Fun Plus Code. Before getting into today's topic, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you really like the video, make sure you hit the like button because that will motivate us a lot. And don't forget to click the notification bell, then only you will get instant notifications of our future videos. Without making further delay, let's get into the topic. In this video, we are going to see about dictionary functions in Python. Okay, in previous video we was talking about what is meant by dictionary and how to create the dictionary and those stuffs and all. So if you missed my previous video, I will give a link in my description as well as an I button. Please watch that video. Okay, so let's see what are the functions available in dictionary. Okay, so there are 11 functions are there in dictionary. First one is keys, next one is values, items, next one is update, pop item, next one is clear, next one is copy, next one is get, from keys and set default. Okay, in this video we are going to see only first 6 functions. Okay, keys, values, items, update, pop and pop item. So I'm going to write a program for all of these functions. In this video I'm going to write a program for only 6 functions. In next video I'm going to talk about remaining 5 functions, that is clear, copy, get, from, keys and set default. Okay, so let's dive into the program. To write a program, I'm going to use PyCharm IDE. Here I have already created a project. Under the project, I have already created a file. Okay, as I said before, in previous video, I was talking about an example called restaurant example. So here also, I'm going to use the same example for writing a program for functions. Okay, so here I have already created a dictionary. This items is the name of the dictionary, and here I have used 4 key value pairs. That is 4 set of key value pairs inside this items. Okay, so in this video, we're going to see first 6 functions, right? First, I'm going to use keys function. Before that, I'm going to just print these items. Yes, it is just simply printing pizza, burger, sandwich and ice cream. Okay, so first, as I said before, I'm going to use keys function. Okay, so print, I'm going to give this inside the print. So items is the name of the dictionary, dot keys. So this keys, what is the purpose of this keys function? It will return the keys. It will return only keys inside this dictionary. Okay, here what are the keys? Pizza, burger, sandwich and ice cream are the keys, and 180, 70, 80 are all the values. Okay, so this is a 1 key value pair set. Again, this is another key value pair set and so on. Okay, so what is the purpose of this keys? It will return only keys. Okay, let's see what will happen. Yes, it is returning only keys. So, dict keys of pizza, burger, sandwich and ice cream. But here, this is a dictionary, but this is a second, it is returning this keys inside this list. Okay, yes, keys is a function which is used to return only keys inside the list. Okay, this is a pizza, burger, sandwich, ice cream or all the keys, but it is returning inside the list. Okay, so inside this square brackets, it is returning inside the square brackets. That is why it is called list. Okay, if you missed my previous video, like in couple of videos ago, I was talking about list, tuples and all. So if you missed that video, I will give a link in the description. Please check out that. Okay, so this is the purpose of the keys. So next I'm going to tell you about values. So in that also I'm going to print inside this print function. I'm going to use values. Okay, here this value is also a function which is used to return a values in a list. Okay, keys is used to return a keys. Likewise, values is used to return a values inside the list. Okay, simply it will return a values. Let's see the output. Yes, dict of values. So this is a function. It is returning inside the function. So this is the list. Simply this is the list. 180, 70, 80 are all the values which is present inside the list because it is present inside the square bracket. Okay, this is square bracket, right? So we call it as a list. Clear? Okay, next I'm going to tell you about items. So I'm going to print that inside this print function. Okay, items. Okay, so this is the name of the dictionary. Don't confuse, guys. Here I've used the items. So this is the name of the dictionary, and this items is a function. Okay, this is a built-in function of the dictionary. Okay, it will return a key value pair inside the list. Okay, item is a function which is used to return a key value pair. That key value pair will present inside the tuple. Okay, this is a one key value pair. This pizza is a key and this 100 is a value, but it is present inside the tuple. Okay, this is a parenthesis, right? So we call it as a tuple. Okay, this is a one key value pair present inside the one tuple, present as a one tuple. So this is another key value pair which is present inside another tuple, and this is another key value pair which is present inside the another tuple, and so on. Okay, so this all key value pairs are present inside a single list. So items is used to return a key value pair. That key value pair will be present inside the tuple, and all the tuples are present inside that only single list. Okay, that is the purpose of the item. So keys is used to get only keys from the dictionaries inside the list. So next, values. Values is used to get values, that is only values present inside the dictionaries inside a single list. And this items is used to get a key value pair in tuple. That tuple will be present inside a single list. Okay, so next I'm going to tell you about pop. So I'm going to use items.pop. So here inside the pop you have to pass the parameter. Now I'm going to pass ice cream. So because I don't want this ice cream inside this dictionary, that is why I have passed ice cream. Next I'm going to just print that items. Let's see what will happen. It will return a dictionary without ice cream key value pair. See, pizza, burger and sandwich only are there inside the dictionary, and the ice cream is not present inside this dictionary. So pop is a function which is used to delete a key value pair from the dictionary. Here I have passed only key because ice cream is a key, right? I didn't pass any value here, but this pop is a function which is used to delete a key value pair, like to delete a set, the key value set inside the dictionary. So ice cream is a key and here 80 is a value. So it deletes that key value pair, this one set from the dictionary. Okay, I hope you have understood about pop. Next I'm going to tell you about pop item. I'm going to give items.pop item. Here this pop item is a function which is used to delete a last inserted key value pair from the dictionary. Okay, so here, okay, just I'm going to print the items. Let's see what will happen. Here pizza 100, burger 80. Okay, this dictionary containing only two key value pair without sandwich. Okay, here the sandwich is a key and 70 is a value. This is a one key value pair, that is last key value pair inside the dictionary. So after I have used pop item function, it has deleted the sandwich and 70 from the dictionary and it has displayed a result like this. Okay, pizza, burger alone. Okay, so in today's video, we have talked about 6 functions, that is keys, values, items, pop and pop item. Clear guys? So that's all about today's video guys. I'm ending this video here. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. In next video, I will talk about the remaining 5 functions. I'm ending this video here. Bye-bye. Take care.